I would have been here last night, except I got that bug that's going around town.
Yeah,
you know, I got
tell me about it.
sore throat and a cough. I'm getting better now.
All right.
But hopefully you guys won't get it. Believe me, it's not very comfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see moving away.
All right.
At least the weather's working out pretty good. Joe, you're enjoying it pretty good, right?
Yeah, I've noticed the difference between 5 above and like 52 below. I never thought I could say that, but yeah, I noticed the difference.
Well, out at the airport right now, we're at 7 degrees above after a high of 9 above, the low 0 last night. A record high, 1977, got up to 40 above that day. In 1975, down to 56 below. Now, the sunrise this morning was at 10:50. The sun set this afternoon at 3:05, which gives us 4 hours and 15 minutes of daylight. And that's a gain of 4 minutes from yesterday. Here's our photograph tonight. We will share this with you, sent in by Debbie Dickman, and she was at the Sparktacular Fireworks out on the West Ridge, and beautiful fireworks shot there. One of many she sent me. Again, if you have a photograph to share, send it to Mike Schultz at ktbf11.com. Here's what's going on across the stage. You can see once again we have more clouds moving up from the south, which means the mild temperatures will continue. As long as the winds come out of the south, we're looking pretty good. Lots of clouds, but most of it's going to be blocked out by the Alaska Range once again. Out to the west, skies are for the most part clear to partly cloudy. And on our map today, as you can see once again, we're looking at clouds over southeast Alaska, across the Gulf of Alaska, down along the Aleutian Chain, some snow around the Cold Bay area, up and down the west coast. A little bit of light snow being reported in the Nome area, and a little bit heavier snow at the Barrow area, 9 degrees there. Partly cloudy skies at Fort Yukon, 13 below 0. Lower 48 weather, we'll talk about that in just a little bit. We want to once again remind you we have an air quality index in effect for Fairbanks. Moderate conditions for Fairbanks, and North Pole is still unhealthy. This is until 5 o'clock tomorrow night, so keep that in mind if you have respiratory problems like I have right now, and keep your kids out from outside if you can for a while. Here's what's going on the lower 48. We'll head on down there and show you we have showers once again over the Pacific Northwest, nice over the Southwest, pretty good over the Central Plains. A little bit of shower activity over the Southeast and the South sections of the states. Lower 48 weather on the satellite and radar. A little bit of energy moving across Texas yesterday. El Paso, Texas, 4 inches of snow. How about that? Over the Northeast, a little bit of activity too. Now, the overall picture is calling for the snow to end over the western sections of Texas. More rain across the deep south, and the overall jet stream next week will be moving once again to the north, bringing rain possibilities over Texas and windy and much colder temperatures over the northern plains. Back to Alaska for tomorrow. In the northern sections, blowing snow for Barrow, scattered snow for Nome, and snow showers expected at Fort Yukon, 5 below at Fort Yukon tomorrow. Here in the interior, looking at mostly cloudy skies for Fairbanks, scattered clouds at Healy and Denali Park. Over the southeast, mixed showers for Juneau, rain showers for Ketchikan. And over the southwest part of the state, we'll be looking at snow in Bethel and rain and snow for Cold Bay, rainy at Kodiak Island. Well, once again, we have time for our kids' weather. And this week, we've been talking about weather facts. In tonight's weather fact, in 1994, more than 2 feet of snow fell over northwestern sections of Pennsylvania. Again, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank. And next week, we'll begin once again with the kids from North Pole Elementary. They'll be our guest for the week of January 9th. It's a Friday night. It's time for our winter trails report. Mild temperatures mean great conditions for outdoor activities. Ski slopes should be open, and trails should be perfect for snow machines and cross-country skiers. And last night we had road conditions, but we were supposed to have a road conditions. We have those tonight. As you can see, for the most part, snow removal equipment on the higher elevations, gusty winds near Delta, icy roads, and some drifting snow around the park's highway. Keep that in mind. Here's your forecast for tonight. 7 below, a little bit colder with continued high clouds. Tomorrow's forecast, 6 above, scattered high clouds, otherwise no change. And the extended forecast looking pretty good. Again, you're looking at temperatures right around the 0 to 5 below mark for our daytime highs, warming up again by the latter part of the 5-day period. No precipitation in the forecast. And again, we're looking at temperatures to continue to be much warmer than they should be this time of year, because Gerald, you and I know they can get down to 30 and 40 below easily this time of year in January.